Hi everyone and welcome back to page Multimedia Arise. I am Sotheany and today we are going to learn 4 words from lesson 22. Are you ready? Let's get started. So the first word is shepherd. Shepherd. Shepherd we can spell S-H-E-P-H-E-R-D. Shepherd. For example, good shepherd always give good food to the sheep. Shepherd. And the second word is stable. Stable we can spell S-T-A-B-L-E. Stable. For example, animals like to sleep on the stable. Stable. And the third word is eternal. Eternal. Eternal we can spell E-T-E-R-N-A-L. Eternal. For example, we will have an eternal life when we believe in Jesus Christ. Eternal. And the last word is traffic. Traffic. Traffic we can spell T-R-A-F-I-C. Traffic. For example, I hate traffic accident. Traffic. Okay, now please repeat after me again from the first word. Shepherd. Shepherd. Stable. Stable. Eternal. Eternal. Traffic. Traffic. Okay, thank you so much everyone for your time and attention, and please don't forget to comment all your sentences down below. We will help you check. If you do it right, we will give you a thumbs up. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, don't forget to click the link that we drop it for you. Bye bye and see you in the next video. God bless you.